blah, blah, blah. Hi! Hi! Boo! Oh, no! Oh, yeah, well, my dad's a tarantula. Mom! Imagine this. Chilling in my kitchen, I can't stop the itching. I'm over this. But it seems that I can't quit it if I try. And I wish when you asked about my day, I didn't have to say I'm itching this. I'm itching this.
Hey, Bee.
Yeah, what?
Do you want to come hang out for a while?
Yeah,
Yeah?
I'll come out.
So you can just hop right down onto my hand there.
Okay.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
You can just hop on my hand.
Yeah, okay.
Do you need me to, like, move my hand up, or...?
No, I got it. Boop,
Did you just boop me?
boop, boop. No thank you.
Wait, Bee, come here.
No thank
I can't
you.
hear you. What did you say?
No thank you.
Oh. No?
You look icky.
Icky?
I can't touch.
What?
You look icky.
Bee?
No thank you.
Not today.
Not today. Oh, hi! Welcome back to another episode of Trinkets Nature Show! I love that part. I have a great show for you today. Now, where did my assistant go? Terry! I just need to sharpen my fangs. Terry. The Asiatic jumping spider is a skilled hunter. With unmatched precision, the spider jumps. Sorry, Terry. Oh, hi, Barry. Come here. Jumping spiders have some of the best vision of all spiders, which makes it easy for them to spot their prey. Hello and welcome to Trinkets Nature Show. I'm here today with my assistant, Barry, who's pretending he's dead. Really dead. You're not dead, Barry. I'm going to show you how spiders catch their food. The wild jumping spider spots its prey. Yeah, but I'm dead. Barry, I'm trying to do my show. Then, quick as a jaguar, it strikes. Quiet, Barry. Jumping spiders can eat bugs as big as them, or sometimes even bigger. Jumping spiders don't use legs to catch their food. No, they use lines. See you next week when I catch a bug that isn't dead. The show is stupid.
Girl, don't do it. It's not worth it. I'm not gonna do it, girl. I was just thinking about it. I'm not gonna do it. I did it.